Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the rainbow circle in IbisPaint X. First, open the IbisPaint X application and start a new canvas. You can choose any size you prefer. Next, navigate to the filter menu, which looks like an icon with a small square. From there, select the special category to find the rainbow effect. This is the initial step to adding vibrant colors to your artwork. Once you've selected the rainbow filter, a circular gradient will appear on your canvas. You can easily drag and resize this circle to fit your desired area. Look for options to adjust the color intensity or saturation, typically found in the filter's submenu. Don't forget to explore various blend modes to see how the rainbow interacts with your existing layers. This allows for a lot of creative control. To refine your rainbow circle, consider using the eraser tool with a soft brush to create specific shapes or fade effects. For more complex designs, add a new layer above your rainbow. You can then apply a clipping mask to this new layer, ensuring any additional colors or textures you paint only appear within the boundaries of your rainbow circle. This technique offers precise control over your artwork. For an even more vibrant rainbow, try duplicating your rainbow layer and adjusting its opacity or blend mode. Once you are satisfied with the look, merge your layers to consolidate your design. Finally, save your masterpiece. You can export your artwork in various formats such as PNG or JPEG, depending on your needs. Enjoy your colorful creation in IbisPaint X.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.